Mr. Tulsian, any thoughts on why we are seeing this kind of move?
See, Anuj, because the government has extended the release mechanism till December, and that will keep the prices firm. Because if the release mechanism is dismantled or the release quota is removed, then you will see the selling of the sugar stocks, held by the mills, seen coming in the market, and maybe ahead of the festive season, because now post this Raksha Bandhan, we see the festive season starting, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, and then Navratra and all sort of things up to Teen. And the crushing will only now start in the month of November, because this time the monsoon is likely to get extended. So maybe and because Diwali is also on the 7th November, so crushing will not start before 31st October. So this is just the release quota having extended till December is helping the sugar stocks. But we won't be initiating any fresh buy call. In fact, we have been advising that use this rally to exit from the sugar stocks.
Okay, so that's an exit advice by Mr. Tulsian on sugar. A word on Titan, another stock that's not quite been in step with the whole consumption blitzkrieg that we've seen, Amrish. It's sulking today, 888, such a range-bound stock. What would your sense be now?
No, clearly with even the management not really so bullish on the growth, and again we should see that much before the other consumer stocks really had that move. Titan has been having that move for the last possibly 7-8 years. It's already done that. The expectations were very high. It did well even after the issues which are there in the jewelry sector, saying that this is one stock which will possibly stand out. But then I think since most of that move has been done and the expectations have not really been fulfilled, I mean, again, when I talk of expectations, I would say the heightened expectations were not really fulfilled. So I think it should, correct a bit, consolidate a bit at lower levels. But again, this is a portfolio stock, so I don't think there's any hurry to sell it off. But don't really expect the sort of move which we have seen the last couple of years to continue.
Amrish, your thoughts on Hexaware after the block and the fact that this overhang is going to stay now for some time?
Yeah, but then I really don't track Hexaware so closely, so I really won't like to comment on that.
Mr. Tulsian, your thoughts? Of course, the market has concerns now, valid concerns that bearing will not stop here and will take it to 51%. Last time Hexaware reached these levels, it turned out to be a good buying opportunity. Your thoughts?
So in the morning also I've said that probably we look up at a level of 113 where this should be given, this should be looked into as a buying opportunity, because if you see for CY19, the performance is seen to be with 10 piece of closure about 24-25. I think this is an excellent mid-cap IT stocks, and even if I take that bearings will come, nobody stops, because we know that private equity investors are all seen coming in for the profit booking, but they will not bring it down below 51%. And if the bearing has to sell the further lot, they will not be able to do that for the next 3 months, having sold now today at off about 8.5%. And in fact, these stocks, swiftly, we have been talking of this Mahanagar Gas Limited. See, the weakness was just confined till yesterday when the British Gas has sold. Probably same kind of pattern may be seen that on Monday, Hexaware will again be rolling in the range of 425 to 435, and I won't be surprised even on the expiry seen happening at 440, 445 or 450, and then maybe thereafter the positive view, because all these mid-cap IT stocks we have been holding positive view, and in fact we have been advising that it won't be a bad idea to shift from the larger IT stocks, maybe like Infosys and even TCS, to move to this mid-cap IT stocks. And in our view, this selling of 8.5%, 9% stake having made by bearing today is giving an excellent entry point into Hexaware at the current level of 430.
Okay, Mr. Tulsian, thanks a lot for joining us today. Have a good weekend. We'll have a conversation with you on Monday. Big move happening on Reliance Communication right now.